Hey, welcome to today's video. Okay, so today is just a quick little bonus video that I wanted to bring to you guys. So let me tell you how it all began. A couple weeks ago, I filmed a video where I did a TV tray makeover for Jason. I did not like how it turned out. That thing, I had a lot of issues with it and it just wasn't my best work. So I was like, I need to redeem myself. What can I do? So I started looking at some different high-end TV trays at different places and I found this one at Pottery Barn. It is $299. I can't figure out why it's $299, but hey, if you want to pay that price, more power to you. For me, I figured out how to do it for like a fraction of the cost. And so I thought I would show you today to give you a really just inexpensive idea of how you could do one. And then we can just kind of forget about that other TV tray I did. But anyway, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And to all my regular subscribers, I'm really happy to have you here. So don't forget to like the video. Let's get into it. Okay, when I saw that TV tray, which is basically a butler's tray, over on Pottery Barn, I was shocked because I was very surprised by it being basically $300, and I was walking around in Hobby Lobby and look what I found. Like, it looks exactly like the top of that butler tray. So the original price of this at Hobby Lobby was $41.99, but of course it was on sale, so I paid $25 for this, and it looks exactly like it. And then I lucked out and I have this old TV tray. It's pretty janky, but look at the colors. It's like perfect. So my suggestion is the thrift store because they have all kinds of these, but I didn't have to pay anything for this, so I lucked out there. But if you do, it's just a couple bucks at the thrift store. And so I was like, what? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to attempt, I don't know, I was looking at the mechanisms underneath, and I'm going to attempt to take off the top tray and figure out a way for this basket to be on top. And then, in order to round it out, because if you see here on the Pottery Barn, it's got like the wicker around the sides. And so I went online to see if I could find some of that. Oh my, to get some of that, like, it was just a little bit, was pretty expensive. It was like $25 for 25 feet. 25 feet can go really fast when you're wrapping it around. So I found this. So just hear me out. This is hemp rope that I found at Michael's. This was $4.99 before I used a coupon. I ended up using a coupon, and well, to be honest, I had a gift card, so I didn't really pay anything. But for you guys, say it was full price, $5. And this was $25. So right there, you would have spent 30 bucks, and then say you had to spend a couple more dollars if you didn't already have a tray. So you're all in for just a little bit over $30 compared to $300. So let's see if we can put this together and get it to look like the one over there. I hope that when I take this top part off, I don't completely demolish this tray and not be able to do this, and this end up being another fail also. Okay, so this bolt was completely stripped out, so this one's already out. And so I don't know why. Oh, so those aren't connected. Okay, so this, okay, and then woohoo. And then I have to take off this. And this one's coming off right here. Okay. Ta-da! So that we don't even need. Okay, so now I have to figure out something to go across here since that took that away. And then that can just sit on there perfectly. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. All right, so now we have that off, and you can pick up a dowel rod. They sell these at Michael's or any kind of home improvement store. And so that's what I need for the other side of this, because you know how I showed you how it has one, and now I need to put one here since we took that other tray part away. And so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill a little hole in there to put this in there, and then I'm just gonna reuse the same screws, and we're just gonna hook it back together. Okay, now I flipped it over. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm just doing it maybe just about, not even quite halfway into it. About right there.
Check your length.
Let me see if it fits. Okay, I'm drilling a pilot hole just so it doesn't split my dowel. Okay, and now we're just gonna put the same screws right back in. Screwing in. Oh, this one looks perfect. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look so cute. Why is Lily barking? Ta-da! Oh yeah! Okay, thanks for your help. Okay, now that we have that in there, I have to get something to where it doesn't go all the way open. And so I'm gonna use a ribbon. Let's see. And do it like this. And I'm just gonna, you could hot glue it, or you could use E6000, sticky stuff, whatever you feel like you want to use. I love tacky spray. Said no one ever. Oh my goodness, it's making my fingers sticky. Okay, then I have to figure out how far apart we need this in order for this to sit perfect. So, ah! Okay, right there. Think that should be perfect? Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, I really love this, and I don't know if the one from Pottery Barn is like physically attached, but a lot of butler trays are not. The convenience is that you can take these off and use the tray for whatever you want, and then we can just fold this up and call it good. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna attach this because it is super strong and sturdy, and I have so many cute ideas of like what we could use this for and how we could style it. But in the meantime, if you look up close at the one from Pottery Barn, it has, it looks like some of the caning that's going around it, and we're gonna use our inexpensive alternative from Michael's, and I'm gonna put a little bit around each side, I think, and then just make it look really good. The cool part about this stuff is that it is wired, and so it's gonna help me be able to stick around this. Okay, I'm gonna remove this so this I can have better visual. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some tacky spray on the wood, and then that way this helps hold itself and it'll get a little extra kick from this. Oh boy, I'm gonna have sticky fingers again, guys. Here we go. I think that looks really good. Okay, Okay, now I'm just gonna do the other 4. Okay, I think that looks good for the front. Now I'm gonna turn around and do the back. Okay, I'm kind of thinking maybe we should put some on this down here. I don't think I'm gonna put it on this lower part that's down here. I like that wood, but I think I have enough to go around that also. Skeptical when I decided to make this because I was like, what am I going to use this for? Am I actually going to eat off of this? But this thing is awesome. I love how I can use it as like a, you know, like an end table next to a chair or whatever, and then you can also use it as a serving tray. You can take it, and I love how I didn't attach it because I feel like if I would have attached it, then it kind of would have lost its functionality. So I really like how you can just take it off, you can use it, and then have that there and set it down. It's so perfect. You're a goober. Do you like the tray?
Yes, I do like it. It's very nice.
It's actually a lot better than the other one, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my new little tray with my drink and my candle, and I'm gonna read my book and relax. And I hope you guys enjoyed just this fun, quick little DIY that is so inexpensive that anyone can do. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.